instantly open your third eye, increase your ability to manifest anything you desire, activate your pineal gland. This is an ancient technique and meditation. Hi everyone, Robert Zink, Miracle Mentor and Alchemy Life Coach. And today we are soaring high like a big, beautiful eagle. And we're flying in the direction of your dreams and your goals. We believe that you deserve the money you desire, the love you crave, and the happiness and health that you absolutely depend upon. So today we're talking about manifesting easier by opening your pineal gland. And you're going to be able to do this instantly. I mean, it is extremely fast, but it's extremely effective. Why is it important to open your pineal gland? I think it's important just because it's part of your journey. It's part of why you are here, to know, to learn, to grow, to teach. And as you connect with source energy, as you connect with your higher self, you know more, you see more. But here's something even more exciting. High flyers, attracting what you desire literally becomes, effortless. I mean, it really does, because most people are like making their goal lists. And listen, I teach this, so I don't have a problem with it if this is where you're at. But most people are making their goal lists, right? And they're writing out their intentions, and they're doing 100 affirmations a day, and they're creating vision boards, and they're going to seminars, and they're reading these books. But what if you were there? I mean, what if you were there? What if you were already at the place where what you desire already existed? And you are, but you can't see it because, high flyers, we live in a world of duality. Good, bad, up, down, left, right, ugly, beautiful, whatever. Happy, sad, good and evil, all of that. Everything that we see is about duality. So either people will say, either I'm attracting or I'm not attracting. You see the duality? I'm attracting or I'm not attracting. I'm creating or I'm not creating. But that's not the world that we truly live in. That's the world that we live in 3D. That's the world we believe that we live in. But it's not truly the world that we live in, high flyers. So this instantly opening your third eye is very powerful, because activating your pineal gland will help you see beyond the world of duality. So high flyers, by opening up your third eye, which is right here, and listen, even if you don't believe in a literal third eye, even if you don't believe that, I want you to stay with me on this one, because this is going to make a huge difference in who you are, in how you manifest, in how easy manifestation is for you. Because here, in this third eye and in the center of the brain, the pineal gland, we connect to the universe. Now, when I mean connect, I don't mean just pray to the universe. We become as the universe. We no longer have this duality. You see, in the ancient temples such as Solomon had two pillars, Jachin and Boaz, masculine and feminine, to depict the duality of the world we live in, yin and yang, night and day. But you're going to transcend that. You're going to transcend that reality by activating your third eye and just becoming connected to source energy at a level that you maybe have never experienced before. Okay, so when you transcend duality, you see with clarity. But high flyers, more importantly, you manifest with clarity. In other words, you're not manifesting and then unmanifesting, starting and then stopping, loving and then hating. You are moving beyond that world of duality into the world of singularity. You are connected to the one. I am. Eheya in ancient Hebrew means I am that I am. Or a more esoteric translation is I will be what I will be. High flyers, you will be what you will be. And you have the ability to transcend this limiting mindset by opening up your third eye and activating your pineal gland. So high flyers, beautiful souls, listen to me on this one. Stay with me. I'm going to share with you the meditation now that you can do every day. And each day you're going to go deeper and deeper into the very core, the very heart of the universe, and the power that exists within that core, within that heart, is fully within you. So what you will do is first is you will close your eyes and take a few deep breaths, and you're going to meditate on a beautiful white light above your head. A beautiful white light above your head. And I see a tinge of ultraviolet in it. Now I breathe deep in through my nose, all the way down to my neck. And now I see it ball up. So now I have a ball of light above my head, a ball of beautiful light at my neck, and I breathe it down through my heart all the way down to my groin. And I see a beautiful light there at my groin, and it's that white light with just a tinge of ultraviolet. So now, above my head, my neck, my groin, and now I send the light down with a final breath in through the nose. Bring it all the way down to the feet and pool it up at the feet. So it's as if you're standing in a pool of light. Now, this is absolutely amazing. If you do this and you really breathe deep and you bring in that light, you're going to be like this. You're going to be, the energy literally starts to get you to wobble. If you're wobbling or getting dizzy, write it down below. I'd like to know your experience of what you're experiencing through this meditation. Now, you have this pool of light at your feet. Now you're going to breathe up again, and you're going to stop at the groin. Up to the neck. And now this time, you're not going back to the top of the head. You're going to the third eye. And you're bringing the white light with that tinge of ultraviolet into the third eye. And I like to touch it. Sometimes I will activate it like so. Sometimes I will touch it with my wand. It doesn't really make any difference. And I feel that light there. Now as I exhale, I send it out. Oh my God, it's like I can see each and every one of you. Unbelievable. This is very powerful. Now, you do this, so what will happen is after you've sent out the energy and activated your pineal gland, you will do it one more time. And I recommend doing it about 3 times to begin with, and you're going to notice that you don't have to struggle anymore to manifest what you desire, that you have this connection to source energy. It's nothing that you can put in words, high flyers. It's beyond words. It's that special you just know that you are a timeless being, that you are a co-creator of your reality, and that you can manifest anything and everything you desire. It's amazing. Now, here are a couple of videos you're going to want to check out.